Hey, David Sabe here with Kids Athletes. We're going over habits. Why habits? Because habits don't take a lot of energy and they're automatic. So if you've got good habits, which is what we want our kids to have, then they're going to be doing good things automatically without spending a lot of energy. Now, there are two things that I think every kid should be building good habits for. The first one is time management. Time management doesn't have to be crazy. You can use a simple monthly calendar to start with, and they should just know what is going on for that month, right? If they have a soccer tournament or if they have a school project that's due, they should be able to see, oh, this is the day that I need that done. As they advance, then they can get into the habit of, maybe scheduling out their week or even their day, depending on how busy that day might be. So it's just a good habit so that they can use less energy and it becomes automatic. Why is this really important? Because when they go off to college, and especially if they're a college athlete, that's going to mean that they're going to be having to manage a lot of time and energy. And so if they've got the time management habits down, then they're going to have an easier time taking that energy they saved because they made those good habits, and they can put it into learning in class, performing on the field or in the pool or whatever sport they're doing. Social life, and even work maybe. They might be working as well. So being able to manage your time, getting those good habits early on is very important. So the second thing is cooking. Your kids need to have good cooking habits, right? They need to be able to shop. They should be able to shop with you, and they should be able to prepare simple, easy to make meals, right? Because food is super important. I don't think people understand that. They think, oh, school. But if you're not fueling yourself correctly, then you're not going to learn as much as you could if you were fueled and thinking correctly. So food, very important. Make sure that you do that. And if they're a collegiate athlete, guess what? Food is not only fuel, it's for recovery. And so they need to have good food. And if they don't know how to cook, and they don't have those good habits of knowing what to get and how to prepare meals easily, and it doesn't become habit, it's going to be a struggle, and it's going to drain energy, and it's not good for when you're trying to use that energy that you should be using for class, for your performance. So make sure you build those good habits in preparing meals, and that's what I want you to focus on: time management and cooking. And build those habits so that they become automatic, so that your kid doesn't have to use willpower the whole time, because that only has so much energy. And again, what we're trying to do is reserve that energy or save that energy by just making everything automatic so they don't have to think about it. Hope that helps. Again, my name is David Sabe here with Kids Athletes to help parents raise athletes so that they can be not only good athletes, but happy, healthy, and high performing. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.